all these people out there today that want to promote this positive body love image movement. Let me explain something to you real quick. When you want to dance around in your skin tight leotards with your fat rolls hanging out and saying you should love me for my personality, not my body, and you're promoting laziness and eating unhealthy and doing this, that, and the other and giving little care or concern to your body, let me tell you something. Let me accuse you of one thing here. You will not be there by the bedsides of the people that are currently dying from heart disease, which is the leading killer in the United States right now. You will not be the one paying the damn hospital bills. But you can stand there at their bedside and, pet them as they're dying and say, well, you know what? At least people love you for your personality. Let me tell you something about self-respect. If you've got self-respect, you respect yourself enough to take care of the only body you've got. And suddenly, all of a sudden, everyone in this world has got a damn excuse why they can't be healthy. You sit there and say, what's your reason for being overweight? Oh, well, and then the excuses start coming out. When so many of you know damn good and well, deep down, you have no excuse. You need to stop this cotton picking, whining, this crying all the damn time, and get up and do something about it. You think somebody's going to sit there and say, hey, it's okay, go ahead and eat yourself to death, that actually cares about you? The people that don't care about you are going to pat you on the back and say, go right ahead, go down that road that's going to lead to freaking high blood pressure, high cholesterol, getting a limb cut off, doing this, that, and the other. You go right ahead and enable that, and I will sit here, and I don't give a fuck what society thinks. I will combat you day and night. And the biggest thing I see getting in the way is your fucking feelings. You want to sit there and bitch, whine, and cry about your goddamn feelings all the time. Oh, well, he hurt my feelings. Fuck your feelings. I'll tell you what you need to hear, not what you want. We've got a society of politically correct bitches out there that want to sit there and preach this is what they want to hear, give it to them, rather than this is what they need to save their fucking life. But you don't understand that. You're not willing to stand up and preach out against these people out there that promote this bullshit movement. I'm all for people that are overweight, doing something for themselves. I'll give them all the help I can. Good for them. It's not the fact that they're obese why I don't agree with them. It's the fact they're making an excuse and not doing anything about it, and then trying to justify it and get other people to follow along their footsteps. Fuck that. You sit there and explain to those children that are being brought up in the same fashion why they're facing a lifetime of medical conditions because your fucking lazy ass didn't have the ability, didn't have the drive and the motivation to get up and do something for them, to teach them the right way, to take it upon yourself to educate yourself. Google, the internet, it's a hell of a tool. You can learn so much out there, but you choose not to. Where there's a will, there's a way. When you've got air in your lungs, then you have no excuse. It's just a matter of perspective. You're either going to be a fucking sheep or you're going to be a lion. You're going to be an attacker and a go-getter. But if you want to sit there and cry, bitch, and moan and whine all the fucking time while you can't, then you sit your ass on that bench with the losers, and you stay there, and you eat yourself to death. But don't expect me to turn around and pat you on the back and say, hey, good job for being a fucking quitter. Get up and do something about it. Sick and tired of all these damn excuses. Well, fuck your feelings.